Veronica. Right, Veronica, what do we need to do?
So I had like almost 3 years ago some twisted ankle. From that moment, I had a problem with left knee and with left hip. There was lots of pain.
Right.
And then this left hip is like just clicking.
Right, Veronica, try that one.
Wait. Oh. Yeah, it's still clicking.
Yep.
The first moment was like, it's not there.
Right.
But it's
Oh, let's just check. Oh. And the other thing you can do on my stall as well is you can also try out our amazing pinhole glasses. It is possible for us to see without glasses. If you've not got cataracts or glaucoma, something wrong with the lens, usually when vision deteriorates, it is just muscular tension. These glasses help these muscles here relax, and you can see better. You can try them on the stall. It took me just 10 weeks, 15 minutes a day. There we go. See how that feels.
Like it's not doing if I'm doing that like that. This time the movement is still like clicking, but not that one. This pain here is almost not there.
Excellent.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Cool.
Thank you.